Hello, I'm Ever Munoz. I'm so excited to share a brand new product, the High Shine Aerosol Formulation from High Flow. The new aerosol can is easy to spray, goes on clear, and is fragrance-free. The best part is that its fast-acting formula allows the solution to dry quickly on the balloon surface without any additional droplets on the floor. I always recommend using the High Shine formula on balloons to keep them shiny for weeks and to avoid the oxidation. Use the spray on freshly inflated balloons as well on balloons that have become dull. I have here one oxidized balloon column, and now with the High Shine spray aerosol, we will bring that shine back. See how easy it was bring your balloons back to life. The treatment truly makes a difference and adds another dimension to any balloon decor. Try the all-new High Shine Aerosol formulation by visiting our website at burtonandburton.com. For more product introductions and helpful tips, follow us on YouTube at Burton plus Burton.